That's quite a question. There are quite a few different areas that we can touch on. I mean, the world is becoming more and more global, and more businesses have a global client base that they're servicing. And I mean, across a wide variety of different industry types. And what I see is that the importance of being able to recognize the inbound funds hitting the bank account for them to be able to release the funds or release the services or products to their clients is becoming increasingly important. In the same way, it's important for SMEs out there to be able to pay their invoices on time, full value, anywhere in the world, just in time. Now, why is that important? That's important because ultimately it saves cash flow, it improves customer services and the customer experience for their underlying client base. And that's what we do, right? We have been investing into an infrastructure of different banks that are able to allow us to collect money globally via a multi-currency IBAN infrastructure, dedicated accounts in country, our faster payment gateway or European indirect gateway, to be able to recognize those funds instantly and continue to expand that reach for us to be able to offer that solution to all these clients around the globe. In a similar fashion, the delivery element is important, the speed of delivery. So you need banking partnerships, and we have those on our books to be able to deliver those payments anywhere in the world near instantly for full value. And I think that's a continuous trend. We need to support businesses to operate as efficiently as possible so they don't have to worry about the money movement in the background. And that's what I see as the core trend globally. Yeah, it's a good question. I think there are a lot of businesses out there that offer a one-size-fits-all solution where you go online, you fill out an application form, and this is what you get. These are the solutions that we provide, and if it works for you, it works for you. If it doesn't, tough, go somewhere else. We're different. We're a business made out of people. We are supporting a wide variety of industry types, and we reach out to our customers when they are in prospect stage. We want to understand what the real complexity is of the business that they operate, what the real pain points are that they experience on a daily basis within their client services teams, within their operating teams, within their financial reconciliation teams to address those issues. And our platform is flexible enough to adapt for that. So if you speak to a series of customers in a specific vertical, you're able to adapt our solution to make sure that they get what they require. And it could be from a reconciliation perspective, a compliance perspective. It could be the way the accounts are being structured and the information that is being provided. The key benefit is there. If you fix it for a few, most of the businesses operating in the same segment operate in a similar fashion and have the same challenges. And that's what we do, and that's why we are successful. That's what we continue to do in the future. So we offer a wide variety of services. So FX payment capabilities. We also are issuers of cards, so we can put physical, plastic, or virtual cards in the hands of our underlying clients. So we effectively perform a transactional banking activity for these underlying clients. And where is this beneficial to our underlying customers? We are experts on the underlying industry. So we help move that money. And it's not just starting at collecting it. We all collect money via the acquirers or directly into the accounts. It's recognizing those payments near instantly to be able to deliver the service. But at that point in time, their liabilities start to occur in relation to making payments elsewhere. They've got their supply chain. They have to be able to manage their currency exposure. They need to to pay their underlying suppliers in order to continue to operate the business the way they do. And that full end-to-end proposition that we have ensures that they can manage it literally door to door from the point that they offer the service up to the point that it's being delivered to the client at the end of it. I mean, there are many. I mean, one of the latest exciting development is that we now have properly launched a European entity. We acquired it last year and gone through change of control. It's now fully geared with banking partner support for multi-currency IBAN. So we will now start to execute our go-to-market plans to attack the European market, to tell them who we are, to try and win the business that we think is out there at this point in time. We're actively looking at the UAE. We're actively looking into launching into to the US. And we're working with a large variety of businesses here at this conference to unlock our, let's say, indirect sales process, the embedded finance component, which clearly a lot of people are talking about. And we believe we're now ready to effectively support more proactively. So there's a lot happening. We've done a lot and there's a lot on the horizon. So hopefully next year I'll be able to tell you a bit more of what we did that. So